because I have to teach you the spellings. Let it be, don't do it now, okay? We'll start our class now. You can take a new page from your textbook. You can write the heading. Anyway, I'll do. Good morning to all. Ansh John Jacob. Ansh. After that, I will show you. You take out your textbook. See, I know that they can see there. 1 minute. Don't write anything. You just write L10 Pit-Pat's journey. Only P should be capital. Okay, don't write all other letters. CW you can write. You will have spelling test. Only write the heading. Only write the heading. Ma'am will teach you the spellings, then we'll do. Okay, learn these words for spelling test. So the words will be taken from Pit-Pat's journey. Okay, write the heading, write Roman number 1. Learn these words for spelling test. It's given clearly. Number 1, Pit-Pat, capital P. Raindrop, wave, middle, ocean, powerful, hotter. Then I'll be checking your handwriting for the handwriting test now. Jeshu, do you want me to come and take out your notebook? See? Yes. Some children are... Kailina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Did you write? No. Did you write? Sanvi. Did you write, Kailina? See, principal ma'am is sitting next to me and watching everybody. Jeshu, start writing. Evelyn Sarah, why are you not attending the class? Shashwat. Some children are getting extra. Sri Mukilan, did I ask you to show your notebook? No. Sit quietly there. Why Sri Mukilan? Sri Mukilan, please switch on the light or something in your room. I don't want to see your heads. I want to see the place where you are writing. The table, don't be digging the nose and all. Yes, Sanvi, very good. Cyrus, don't be good. Don't be showing your notebook, then all will be lifting. It's like this. And listen, Prashant sir, principal ma'am, all are just watching you all. And I'll make you read this now. Kanira, did you complete?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
It's a good girl. Every day she'll be seated and she's comfortable about her sitting. Other children will be running about here. Punit?
Yes, ma'am.
Jemima, what happened to your own ID? What happened? Many times I told you, you have to enter through your school. What is wrong with Sri Mukilan? Sri Mukilan, sit up. Whom you are talking to, Sri Mukilan? Look up straight. Now show me your notebook, Sri Mukilan. Show me your notebook. Israelina, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Very good. How is your mummy?
She's also fine, ma'am.
Good, good. Kylina, now I'm going to make you all read. Okay. What happened, Pratika?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, nothing. Very good. Now, Tridip. Tridip.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday, Principal Ma'am was watching the recording. Ma'am could see only you dancing and making faces and all. So many times I told you not to do that. Okay, don't do any actions. And when we ask questions and when you listen in class, you don't switch on your TV. Okay, good boy. Now, Tridip, please read all the words written over there.
Okay, ma'am. Number 1, pit bat. Number 2,
No,
trip
no,
drop.
no number 1, 2 and all that. Only the words.
Pit bat, trip drop, wave.
No, not
middle,
drip drop. Raindrop.
Raindrop.
Yes.
wave,
Yeah.
middle, ocean, powerful, hotter,
Powerful. Don't say powerful. Powerful. Hotter. Okay, good. Abhisha. Abhisha's not coming to class. Abhisha. Akshaya. Akshita MP. What happened to all these children? Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read Aratrika.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Pit pat, raindrop, wave, middle, ocean, powerful, hotter.
Very good. Evelyn, please read. I will be changing this page now. Evelyn, you read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined now. Raindrop,
Wave.
wave,
Middle.
Ma'am, I joined now.
What happened?
Ma'am, I joined now.
You join, but you'll have to wait. You'll have to go to the recording because 8 minutes over. If you can write soon. And I said Evelyn Sarah to read. Tridip, turn off your mic. Evelyn, try to read. Ma'am will help you. Read the first one.
Pit top,
Pit pat.
pit pat, raindrop,
Wave. Middle. Ocean.
and
Powerful.
a full
Hotter.
hotter.
Very good. Now, every day you have to read. You must not keep it for the weekend. Now, I want Israelina to read. Israelina,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Pit pat, raindrops, waves, middle, ocean, powerful, autumn.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Juansri, read. Juansri. Read Juansri. Not there. Okay, Getsia.
Ma'am,
Read.
pit, pat, raindrop, wave, middle, ocean, powerful, water.
Very good, Gatia. Now, Sri Mukilan, read. Sri Mukilan,
Ma'am,
please read all the 7 words. I'm going to
okay,
change
pit,
the
pat,
Yeah.
raindrop, waves, middle, ocean, powerful, hotter.
Very good. Hotter. Now we are going to the next one. Those who did not write the numbers and keep, because each one is joining in different time. You have to be in class by 8:50. Okay. Now we are going to the next set of words. Cloud. Those who did not write, don't worry, ma'am will show there. Now you can just write 1 to 7 numbers, then continuously you write 8 to 15. Cloud, cool, gliding, floating, thunder, lightning, shaking, heavy. Please write one by one. By the time I'll make each one read. Okay, now I'm coming to Jemima. Have you joined, Jemima? Jemima? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Guess what happened, Jemima?
Ma'am,
Okay, what happened? Any problem in joining?
ma'am, what is giggling, ma'am?
Jemima.
I came in my computer, ma'am. Then I got logged out. Then I put in my
Okay,
tab.
okay, Jemima, don't worry about it. Now you have joined, you have to join through your school ID every time, okay? Now what you have to do is, if you haven't written 7, you just start 1, 2, 3, 1 to 7, you write the numbers, but continuously write 8 to 15. Now write what is written on the screen. After Mukilan. Afterward, turn off your mic. Turn off your mic. This is not the time for you to talk. Once when I start with the recording, no child is supposed to talk. You have joined late or you didn't get the link, all that. You have to see to it later. You can go to the recording. Don't disturb the class. Tridip, still your mic is on. No, it's just press it correctly. Yeah. It's showing 3 green dots.
No, ma'am, my mic is off only.
But here it's showing, I don't know why. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now I'm going back to the screen. Yeah. Now, Riha. I just want to see Riha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I just want to see you 1 minute. Okay, Riha, yeah, just turn on your camera, Riha. Yesterday, I saw a message. That's what I want to see her. Past 1 month, I'm not seeing her in class. Riha, just turn on. What happened, Riha, all these days? I was calling out for your name. You did not respond. So at least hereafter. Okay, Riha, what happened, Riha? Where were you? Did you go somewhere?
Nothing, ma'am.
I saw. No, why didn't you attend the class? I saw your mail yesterday. That time only I knew that you are here. Attend the class regularly, okay? Ma'am will help you to complete all the work. Okay. Okay, Riha. Turn off your mic. Now, Riha, can you read all the words written over there?
Ma'am?
Riha.
I'm Rahil.
Rahil, I told you not to.
I don't have space.
See, Rahil, you're not an LKG. You're not an LKG. No space. Go to the next page. Every time I'll tell you the same. You are not supposed to turn on your mic. Okay, Riha, please read all the words. Cloud. Read after me. Cloud. Cool.
Raindrop.
No. Yeah.
Rain.
She's not reading properly. Pratika, are we? Pratika,
Yes, ma'am.
please read all the words from cloud.
Cloud. Cool. Gliding.
Gliding. Gliding. Gliding.
Floating. Thunder. Lightning. Shaking. Heavy.
Now, okay, very good, Pratika. Listen, read. Every day what we are writing, you have to learn the spellings. Anytime, ma'am will ask, this is for everybody. All students from 2A and 2B, you have to go through these words. 20 words ma'am will be giving. After 1 week, ma'am will ask you for dictation test, spelling test in class. Turn off your mic, everybody. And parents see that the children, they complete their work, they attend the class. When I ask questions, they must be able to answer. Good children. Sanvi, read. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
read.
Cloud. Cool.
Gliding, floating,
Floating. Thunder. Lightning.
lightning, shaking,
Shaking.
heavy. Very good. Children, you must not sing song like gliding, floating. Okay, change of that tone. Gliding, floating, thunder, lightning, shaking, heavy. Now, Adonia, I am waiting for other children to complete your work. Adonia,
Yes, ma'am.
I just want to see you. Adonias, please turn on your camera. Okay, how are you now? Are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Are you back here? Sorry that you lost someone. I mean,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, but you attend the class regularly. Okay, Adonia. Ma'am will help you. Okay, Adonia,
Okay,
can
ma'am.
you read all the words?
Cloud. Cool.
Yeah.
Gliding. Floating.
It's no. It's gliding. Gliding. Repeat. Gliding.
Gliding.
After that.
Floating. Thunder. Lightning. Shaking. Heavy.
Very good. Hope all of you have completed the written work. Rahil, sit properly. If you don't have space, this is for everyone. You have to go.
Can I read, ma'am? I'm Kanira, ma'am.
Yes, Kanira.
Can I read, ma'am?
1 minute, Kanira. Let me see the next one. Okay, 1 minute. Now, next child is Effie. After Effie, the Kanira, your turn is coming. 2 more children will read. Effie, read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Cloud. Cool. Gliding. Floating. Thunder. Lightning. Shaking. Heavily.
Very good. Now, Joshika, Mary, Joshika, Fatima, Joshika, both get ready. After that, Kanira. With that, I will stop. We'll have to do some more things. Sri Mukilan, sit up properly. Sit properly. Yeah, that's all. No moving. How you are sitting in class, you have to sit. Yes, Joshika is not there. Okay, Kanira, read.
Ma'am, cloud, cool, gliding, floating, thunder, lightning, shaking, heavy.
Very good. Mishti, read. Last one. Mishti.
Cloud, cool.
No, Mishti. Not cloud, cool. No, cloud. Same.
Cloud,
Cool.
Gliding.
No, gliding. Gliding.
Gliding. Floating. Thunder. Light. Lighting.
No. After thunder, lightning. Lightning.
Lightning. Shaking. Heavy.
Heavy. Now we are going to the next one. Get ready now.
Wait, ma'am. I didn't do the first page.
First page afterwards. First page afterwards. Who's that? Is it Sona?
Yes, ma'am.
Afterwards, Sona, because children are waiting. Okay, they finish reading. 10 of them finish reading. Now we'll go back after doing this. Now please write, Sona, you can write the numbers in the margin and come till 20. You can continue this with the numbers 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ma'am will go back. First one, fresh, stream, snow, exciting, adventure. Don't worry, ma'am will read again. By the time you can write, I will make one by one read. Fresh, Fresh, stream, 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 Snow, snow, Exciting, exciting, Adventure, adventure. Children, after this, ma'am will go to the first page. Write the third one now. Third page from the screen. You see the numbers in the margin. 1 to 20 numbers. Fill in 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can write these words. Some children would have joined late. You continue with this work. We'll go back to the second and first page after this. Now, again, I'm going to call Misty finish. Now let me go back to the boys. Anandit, read all these words. Anandit. Anandit. Anandit, something wrong with your mic, Anandit. I told you many times you have to do something towards it. Okay. Next person, Ashwant. Ashwant. Cyrus, I will only just 1 second I will wait. Yes, Cyrus, read. Fresh.
Fresh, stream, snow, exciting, adventure.
Good. Ritik.
Ma'am?
Ritik Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
please read.
Fresh, stream, snow, exciting, adventure.
Good. Now, John Matthew. John, 1 minute. Tell me the spelling of stream.
STREAM.
Stream. Exciting.
EXCITING.
Very good, John. Very good. Kevin. 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 Tell me the spelling of adventure.
ADVENTURE.
I'm very good. I'm just testing whether you know to read the words. Now, snow. Snow. Tell the spelling of snow, Kevin.
SNOW, snow.
Very good. Kushagra, read all the words. Read all the words. Kushagra. Lokesh. Lokesh, where are you? Sona, don't worry. Ma'am will go back to the first one after this. Sona, did you write other words?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so you need the first page. Now, hope all would have completed this. Those who have completed, you can learn the spellings. See, Sanvi is reading the textbook, very good. Now, I'm going back to the first page to check all the words. John, have you written the third page? Till
Yes,
20
ma'am.
words? Yes?
Yes.
Now, let us check from the first page. Now we are going to the first page. Sorry. Yeah. Those who came late, those who joined late, please write this. Other children can check the spellings. Those who have completed this. Pick, pat, raindrop, wave, middle, ocean, powerful, hotter. Nobody is supposed to turn on your mic. Kushagra, turn off your mic now. No need for you to answer now. Turn off your mic. Children, some children when they turn on their mic, it's giving trouble. So turn off. Sona, right. I'm just giving everybody, those who came late or those who did not write, to copy. Don't talk to me during class time. Rahil, stop playing with your mic. Stop. You read through all the words. Check all the spellings. In your hand, you keep your pencil. Don't play with your mic and the system. Very good. Good boy. Okay, check the first page. So now write. Only 3 minutes. You can check. You can read the story. I mean story of Pick Pat. Kanira, did you check the first page? All the spellings?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Oh, good. Sona, try to complete soon.
I finished, ma'am. I'm just checking everything.
Okay, check the spellings. Very good. Now I need Rahil to read those words. Rahil, from the screen, start reading the words.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Middle, ocean, powerful,
see, when you read, you must be clear. How ma'am is reading, same way, all must be able to hear. Read once again, Rahil.
Pat, raindrop, wave, middle, ocean, powerful, hotter.
Very good. See, when you joined, you were not so good. Now you have improved a lot. Very good. Now next child is Sanchit. Can you read, Sanchit?
Yes, ma'am.
I haven't seen you for a long time. Special class time, other classes. What is happening? You have to join daily. Sanchit, read all the words from the screen.
Big Pat, raindrop.
Yes. After raindrop. What is it, Sandy? Third one.
Wave,
Third one. Sandy.
wave,
Wave. Very good, Sandy. Okay. Sanchit, good. Wave. After that. See, I will tell you. Middle. Say, Sanchit. Middle. Middle. M-I-D-D-L-E. Middle. Ocean.
middle,
Ocean.
ship, powerful,
Powerful.
hotter.
Yes. Hotter. After powerful, hotter. Okay, now let me go back and see. Hope all would have completed. You just have a look. Second page. Cloud, cool, turn off your lights, everyone. Gliding, floating, thunder. Don't turn on your mic, please.
Finished.
Turn off your mic. Thunder, lightning, shaking, heavy, fresh, stream, snow, exciting, adventure. Tomorrow when I come to English class, I will start the declension words first. Okay, now let me see. Parents see that children do not turn on their mic and play with the mic. They all are good. They are so excited. So please see that they don't touch the